Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are okay. Welcome back to the Ladders Club in this pumpy market towards the downside. The thing is, guys, a lot of people are talking about wiped out portfolios and extreme losses they are facing. But this is the game, right? Like, why did we not have an invalidation plan before? An invalidation plan having stop losses in play is very important unless you are literally trying to build a hodl portfolio for yourself. Right? Today we'll be talking about what are more possibilities on Bitcoin as well as some other altcoins. So not wasting any time, I'll get into it. Let's see Bitcoin on the weekly time frame here, right? We are in a massive consolidation, right, guys? I always look into the sideways market and I try to play it according to the support and resistance with respect to the EQ. All right. So last year, which is 4th, 28th December, 1st January 2021 until now, the year to year reward on Bitcoin has been zero. So there are no profits at all. But if you are trading it, then yes, you might have gained a lot of profit, right? Because you are literally in a parallel channel where you are going like a oscillator up and down between the support and the resistance. Currently we are trading at 35,660, right? So I believe that this is no point to stop. I still believe that we are going down to 30k. My 30k thesis came to validation when we broke the small parallel channel on daily. When we broke this support, we broke it very quickly, and there were so many shots that were coming up. And guys, so many institutions back then, back in May, missed the boat. And what institutions do is they bring back the boat every single time. So you know what? Right now, if we go on a daily time frame, I just want to open my personal BTC chart. I just wanted to show you the consolidation, right? It's how easy it becomes when we trade in consolidations. Now, these are some of my zones. Yesterday I bought a lot of altcoins when Bitcoin hit this particular point, which was 33,800. We took a perfect support, we went up a little bit, and now we are having some kind of relief rally in the alts as well as Bitcoin. We have fallen down from this descending wedge. We might go up and retest the support as the resistance now, and we continue down. Yes, this could be up as well, but guys, it is the weekend and you never trust the weekend pumps. The institutions have missed this drop to 33.8k, and I believe on Monday what they're going to do is next week they will bring back the boat just to make sure that they did not miss the dip, right? They will never miss the dip. It is always the retail. So we have to play very sensibly, very smartly to make sure that we are not missing anything and we are taking profits. We are realizing that at every single time. So guys, moving to some altcoins here. Luna. Yeah, first of all my orders now will be on 30k level. Like, I won't be buying any Bitcoin, but I'll be buying a lot of altcoins when Bitcoin hits 30k. 28k is also possible. So that is the zone, 28k to 32k. That is the zone where I want to buy a lot of altcoins, guys. Looking at Luna, I had one of the best entries yesterday. This was my ascending trend line that made sure that we are still in an uptrend, right, guys? On a bigger time frame, I was looking at it, one touch, two touch, and the third touch yesterday. From yesterday's entry, my position is up around 28%, guys. Crazy. 28% is a lot. And I would be taking profits. I will be taking some profits here because I believe that this is a relief rally and Bitcoin wants to go down a little bit more just to make sure that we hit that support and we get all the buys for the institutions that they wanted to, because we're gonna get a news, guys. We're gonna get a news in the next 2 or 3 weeks or a month that some big institution has bought Bitcoin. We might even go into a 3 month long or 6 months long consolidation, because when the trend is reversed, when the primary trend is reversed, it takes it a lot of time to change it again. So from a bearish trend going into the bullish trend, that is a V-shaped recovery. and it is not at all possible right now. Looking at the market situation, looking at the legacy markets, I believe we'll go into a sideways market similar to what happened in May, and we'll get a lot of chance to buy, guys. So don't panic buy here. Just make sure that you are buying the ultimate support, and you are also selling the relief rallies. I believe this is a relief rally. It's a Sunday, it's the weekend. So if you bought anything yesterday, make sure you take profits, guys. Very important, realize profits and have your stop loss in play. If your positions are in profit and you don't want to take the profits, then put a trailing stop loss over there, because 1.5% BTC is nothing. This is literally a relief rally game. Okay, guys. Moving on. I listed down some of the coins that I believe can move up a lot, and I call it the recovery portfolio. It included coins like ADA, Cardano, Lunaterra, Matic, as well as Solana, ICP, AVAX, Mana, Decentraland. So these are some of the coins that I bought yesterday when BTC hit this point 33.8, and these are the coins that I will be taking profit in when I believe that the relief rally is coming to an end. And then when Bitcoin hits the 30K zone, I'll be buying them a lot, guys, a lot of them. So like I believe that's the point where we stop, and that's the point where we start the sideways market, a long sideways market, guys. I still believe, this is not going to be a V-shaped recovery. Is if anyone around there is ultra bullish on crypto, then it's bad. By ultra bullish, I mean, if they're saying that by in the next 4 months or 5 months we'll see 70K. No, we're not going to see 70K, guys. But as a trader, we can profit so much in a sideways market that it will be similar gains that we'll have in a V-shaped recovery on a hodl portfolio. So guys, make sure you trade with a plan, with a strategy. Put your support resistance everywhere and see the trend. Ride the trend. Don't try to long every single dip. Just try to long the massive fear. When there is extreme fear in the markets, we need to long that. So, guys, take care and happy trading. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the Discord channel. I'll be active because there is extreme fear. So I want to be active there. I want to answer all your questions and keep it simple. Keep it simple. That's it. Thank you.